Quant, connecting all the world's distributed ledgers for faster, more efficient growth, guys. For recent years have seen many massive advances in distributed ledger technology such as blockchain, DAG, and Tempo. The result is significant shift in the way individuals and organizations interconnect with each other, enabling them to exchange information, assets, and more securely, simply, and at a cost efficiently. So that's what Quant is about, guys. If you're a developer, guys, and want to learn more about the programming stuff, please check it here right on the webpage. But let's get to that market information, guys. Where can we find, where can we trade all this stuff out? Okay, Quant currently trading at $90.38, market cap of $1.09 billion. Currently number 76 on the list with the ticker of QNT. They're on Coinbase Exchange, Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, Gate.io, Gemini, Bittrex, LBank, ZB.com, Crypto.com Exchange. Check out their price ratings, guys. So they got a B- on Symmetry as of November 8th, 2019, and a triple C stable outlook. Now, these may be kind of old ratings, but it is in the top 100, so you guys can get in and out of the cryptocurrency. And also, they have two of the companies that independently looked at it. So that makes it, to me, this cryptocurrency doesn't seem like a meme coin. It doesn't seem like, just another cryptocurrency that just comes out of the list of 17,205 cryptocurrencies. So there's some evidence showing that there is something real about this cryptocurrency. So let's move on to that market information, guys. If you guys are looking for cryptocurrency market information that's related to this industry, check it out, guys. It's coinmarketcap.com. I'll be going over their Twitter page for the relevant news, okay? So Twitter page got 76,000 followers, guys. If you guys are looking for the new fintech ecosystem that is posted 14 hours ago while I'm creating this video, just check it out. Their first post on the top. I'll have a link below so you guys can check it out. Also, you guys follow me on Twitter. I was Andre J. McClendon. I talk a lot of politics stuff, trading. Things that I don't do so much on my Twitter, on my YouTube channel. So just check me out there. Follow me, Andre J. McClendon. So let's get to that price prediction, guys. All right. So here's the marks of my last video. It broke that support, guys. And if it did break that higher, then we can have that conversation. But it didn't. So I'm gonna delete these right here. Delete this right here. I'm going to drag this out a little bit. So since it broke that support, guys, it does not seem like it's going to stop. Quant might go down a whole lot more. So we're looking at the $67 zone, not like 59. Let's go a little bit higher. Oh, not that. That makes it look a little bad. Let's go down here. So this, like most cryptocurrencies, are going down, in my opinion. I see this going cheaper. I would not buy right now. I would do my famous thing, price alerts, okay? Price alerts will save you a lot of pain. A lot of pain to potential gain, okay? So, my first instinct when I saw this cryptocurrency, since it's been downtrending so much, I mean, if you guys want to see, here, let me show you. Let's hit that monthly, okay? Look at that. Just straight down. Yep. Doesn't seem like a good buy, does it? I would wait this one out. That's exactly what I do. I guess I'm going to do. So, current price is $90, right? I think it's going to hit 60 bucks. 60 bucks flat is a whole good number. How I'm going to plan this out, guys? $60. I will not be doing a buy limit. I'll be just doing one price alert since I see with that selling pressure. So my price alert is $60. Also, the price prediction, $60. If it bounces up higher, I am not going to enter. I'm going to wait it out because it can go down lower, much, much, much lower. If it bounces and then builds structure, cool. That will, engage me more. I'll look at it. I'm like, okay, cool. If it does that, I can set more price alerts down the line. But if it doesn't do this option and heads down lower, just like a pullback and heads down lower, kind of like this. See how it bounced off that support of 146 and then jumped back up to 226 and head back down lower? It might do the same thing. Build a slightly diagonal down structure and then head down lower. It might do the exact same thing. So to protect my money, protect the house, what do you do? What I do is price alert at $60. That's my price target. Hits that. Cool. We can have another conversation. But if it goes down lower, then I don't want to be part of it because shorting it, I'm not going to short Quant. I'm very, I'm very edgy about getting to leverage when it comes to shorting. Leverage when it comes to cryptocurrencies, unless it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, some of the big ones. But this one, no. So if it does do that, guys, I will let you guys know. I'll post it. We'll make another video about that, doing a price alert. So if it builds structure, cool, maybe go higher. If it doesn't, head down lower. I don't want to be part of it. You want to short it, go ahead, guys. I'm not going to be in that club. Not going to be in that house. But that's my price prediction, guys. $60. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Just check my website out. Andre McClendon, guys. I talk about a lot of things on here, especially cryptocurrencies, monies, and stuff like that. If you want a free trading account, stock account, or Forex account, click the link below. We both get a kickback when it comes to that. Also, if you guys want to get a free indicator, here's some ones that I found. You guys can download it, put it onto your MetaTrader 4 or 5 trading account. If you guys also looking in the market for a custom indicator, EA or trading bot, let me know. I do design those. So if you have any questions or comments, guys, drop them below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.